Across the scorching plains of Africa, existence was a daily battle against the sun itself. In the face of nature's raw power, primal instinct was the first, and often only, line of defense. Though fear gnawed at the edges of their existence, there were moments when defiance eclipsed terror. Such a brazen challenge, a direct affront to the natural order, rarely went unheeded. The predator, a creature of...
When brute force and primal scream proved insufficient, cunning became the final refuge. When brute force and primal scream proved insufficient, cunning became the final refuge. From his elevated, fragile perch, he became both observer and observed. Below,
Even in their scattered existence, the harsh realities of the savannah forged invisible bonds.
the weight of decision fell heavy on the shoulders of experience. To act was to risk everything, to do nothing.
But sometimes, a different fire burned. A spark of impulsive courage, a roar.
A new player had entered the deadly game, changing the odds, shifting the balance.
The battle for survival was rarely a singular act. Often it demanded a diversion.
The predator, its instincts honed over millennia, was momentarily caught between two threats. The predator, its instincts honed over millennia, was momentarily caught between two threats.
Opportunity, fleeting and dangerous, demanded swift action. It was a moment of synchronized desperation. United against a common enemy, two distinct beings, bound by the fragile threads of their shared existence.
But survival was etched into their very being. It was not just about teeth and claw, but about wit, about The savannah held its breath. It was a clash of titans, not in size, but in will.